Whenever we are talking about supply chain concepts, we are talking about basically three concepts. One is system, second is total cost, and the third is trade-off concepts. So let's talk about system concepts first. So basically, it emphasizes on interdependence that is not only between the function within an organization, but also among multiple organizations that collectively deliver products and services to the customer. That is, those that connect the supplier's supplier with the buyer's buyer from end to end. If we neglect this kind of intra-company, inter-function, interdependence, this can result into unintended losses and wastages. So the focus should be on efficiency and cost reduction at individual function level to the exclusion of its impact on other functions may lead to increased cost at another level within the organization, resulting all of this resulting in sub-optimized performance in the level of service provided to the customer, besides lowering the overall value delivered to the user. For instance, companies where production drives sales may engage in large production runs to minimize setup costs without realizing that the cost involved in carrying large inventories of finished goods that result from such an approach and which may impact the profitability of the company later. Similarly, a failure to appreciate the intercompany interdependence can have adverse impact on the performance of the entire chain. In situations where transporters linking manufacturers and wholesalers choose to consolidate loads to utilize the vehicle carrying capacity to the maximum and thereby save on transportation cost may cause delay in replenishments, resulting in loss of sales and revenue that may exceed the savings in the transportation costs. What matters therefore is not to use the functional level performance or link level performance in the chain, but the collective performance of the entire chain should be used to calculate a supply chain effectivity, which what it will do is it warrants the identification and removal of both the intra and intercompany wastages and non-value added activities from the entire material flow. Total cost concept. So let me quickly talk about total cost concept. The flowing directly from the realization that business ought to be viewed as integrated system and interconnected chains or networks involving multiple links, it has to be appreciated that the value delivered to the customer can be maximized only if the total cost incurred by all the links in the chain or network serving the customer is minimized. Once again, we find that functional level cost reduction or link level cost minimization is of little consequences if the overall cost to the customers remains high, making the chain as a whole non-competitive. The concept emphasizes that the need of intercompany coordination, cooperation, and collaboration in all activities from design and development to manufacturing and distribution to optimize the total cost and thereby maximize the value delivered to the customers. Talking about the third concept, that's a trade-off concept. The trade-off concept enjoins upon the decision makers to explore the possibilities of choosing among alternatives or combination of alternatives in fulfilling a supply chain objective to minimize costs. Faster transportation through a more expensive mode may be acceptable if it helps the lowering the inventories carried and increases the responsiveness to the time sensitivity customer. So this is how the concept are helpful when we are talking about supply chain. We'll meet in the next video for more supply chain related news. Thank you.